everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is CraftShip Wonders. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cone and cylinder. The links for the part 1 and part 2 video are available in the description down below. You guys can check it out. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video. Hi guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make 3D shapes. I'm gonna make a cylinder and a cone. We already made a cube and cuboid in the part 1 video and tetrahedron square pyramid in the part 2 video. If you haven't watched the 2 videos yet, the link will be available in the description down below. You guys can check it out after watching this video. So now let's get started. So guys, the first shape I am going to make is a cylinder. So this is the model of the cylinder that I am going to make. This length measures 5 inches and the diameter of the top and bottom part of the cylinder is 3.5 inches. For making this cylinder, I have taken a chart right here. The dimension of this chart is 12 inches into 9.5 inches. So guys, now I have left 6 inch space from the bottom and I marked points here. Now I am going to join these points. Further, I left a half inch space from these 3 sides and I marked points. Now I am going to join all these points. So guys, since our top and bottom part of the cylinder measures 3.5 inches in diameter, I have measured 1.5 inches, which is the radius of the circle in the compass. Now I am going to draw 2 circles in the top part. So guys, now this is the final template of the cylinder. This template is available in the description down below. You guys can check it out for reference. So guys, here I have cut all the parts from red color chart. Remember that we have to cut each part separately. Now I am going to score out this piece. So guys, now I am going to score this piece. For scoring, we need a ruler and a pen. I am going to place this ruler in this line and I am going to press this pen along this line. This scoring technique will help us to fold these parts easily. So guys, now I am going to cut these 2 flaps into small parts. We have to cut the flap up to this bend, not fully. So guys, we have to cut like this in the 2 flaps. After cutting these flaps into smaller pieces, it becomes easier for us to fold this part in different angles. So guys, now for pasting this cylinder, I am going to apply glue in this corner. So guys, now I am going to paste this part with this flap. So guys, now here I have taken a circle piece and I applied glue in it. Now I am going to paste this circle above the cylinder. So guys, now I finished pasting the circles in the top side and bottom side. Now our cylinder is ready. So guys, the second shape I am going to make is a cone. So this part of the cone measures 5.5 inches and the bottom part of the cone measures 3.5 inches. So guys, for making the cone, I have taken a chart right here. The dimension of the chart is 11 inches into 6 inches. Further, I have drawn a line in the center which divides this chart into 2 equal parts. So guys, now I have left half inch space from this corner and I marked a point here. After marking this point, I am going to take a compass and I am going to place this at this point and I am going to draw a semicircle by placing this pencil at this point. after drawing this semicircle, I am going to just stretch this compass up to the very top part and I am going to draw a semicircle. So guys, after drawing the semicircle, I am going to place this ruler at this point and I am going to join these two points. So guys, the method of drawing the template for this cone is different from the other shapes. Now I am going to place this ruler at this point and I am going to leave a half-inch space and I am going to join the points by drawing a line. So guys, after drawing this line, I am going to place this ruler at this point and I am going to leave a half-inch space between these two lines and I am going to draw a line here. So guys, now this is the final template of a cone. This template will also be available in the description down below. You guys can check it out for reference. So guys, I cut out all the parts for the cone in yellow color chart. I cut out the circle separately. Further, I cut out this curved flap into smaller parts as I done it in the cylinder. Now I am going to paste the cone. Now I am going to apply glue in this side. After applying the glue, I am going to paste this cone. So guys, after pasting this cone, I am going to apply glue in this circle. After applying glue in this circle, I am going to paste this. So guys, now I finished pasting the bottom part of the cone and now our cone is ready.
So guys, now I will show you all the shapes that we made in this 3D series. In the first part, I showed you guys how to make a cube and cuboid. In the second part, I showed you guys how to make a tetrahedron and square pyramid. In this third part, I showed you guys how to make a cylinder and cone. These looks amazing, so try it in your home and have fun. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next amazing video guys.